Tired of outdated task titles and descriptions throwing off your team's focus? Let's quickly show you how to edit titles and descriptions in Asana, making sure everyone's on the same page. First, navigate to the task, project, or portfolio you want to update. For this example, we will click on the task named Update Document. Now, click directly on the title at the top of the task pane. You'll see it become editable. Delete the existing title and type in your new, improved title. Let's change the title to Update Marketing Strategy Document with Q3 Performance Data. Hit Enter, or click outside the title field to save your changes. Boom! The title is updated. Next, let's tackle the description. Click into the description area. Will become an editable text box. Here, you can add details, context, and instructions. Delete any outdated information and replace it with something useful. For example, we can add, revise the marketing strategy document based on Q3 results, focusing on underperforming areas and opportunities for improvement. Link to the document. That's it. Editing titles and descriptions in Asana is that simple. Keeping them clear and up-to-date will save time, prevent confusion, and boost your team's productivity. Remember to like and subscribe for more Asana tips and tricks.